We want to go over to the settings, and here we want to go ahead and tap on battery. Here you will see the apps and how much battery each one has been using. Sometimes the problem is not your battery at all, it's just one app that's using way more power than every other thing. Now click on view all battery usage. Here is where things is going to get more interesting. If you see a battery using more of your power, my Google Maps is using a lot of my battery percent. And if I should go ahead and click on my Google Map, and you can see even on the background it's on 32 minutes. And the same thing applied to all of this app right here. If I should go ahead and tap on this Vo app, you can see on screen it's just 4 minutes, but on the background it has been more than hours. Now that you find out most of the apps that are using your battery, what you need to do is to go back again, come over to settings and tap on general. On general, you want to find background app refresh, which is going to be somewhere here. You don't need to go ahead and toggle over everything. What you need to do is to toggle over the app you feel you are not currently using. There must be many apps that have been there that you yourself you are not even using. Like me, most of these apps I'm not even using them, and still they are running in the background, and in one way or the other they are consuming my battery, which will result my battery to be draining very fast. You want to go ahead and toggle over most of them that you're not using and leave those that you are basically using. The next measure we can potentially take is on display and brightness. Firstly, you don't want to be using your phone at the highest level, of which is going to drain your battery so fast. You want to put it at the medium or even below something medium. Now go back to setting again and tap on battery. You want to go ahead and toggle over low power mode. Mind you, doing this will reduce some background activities, and it's even going to reduce the processing speed of your iPhone. It can as well disable your 5G on your network and many other activities that is going to limit. So you have to be very careful when doing this. And as well, you don't have to wait for your battery to be 20% before you toggle over this low power mode. Doing it at something like 50 or at 40 is going to even stretch the life of your daily usage. And another measure we can potentially take as well is the software update. You want to go back to settings, to general, and look for software update. You can see mine is already updated, but if you have any software update here, you want to go ahead and update your software, because sometimes battery draining issues are caused by software bugs that Apple has already fixed. So you want to make sure your phone is up to date. If there is any software available right here, just go ahead and update that software. Is going to as well improve the life of your battery. And the last thing I would like you to check is to check the capacity, the maximum capacity of your battery. Go back to setting again and click on battery. Here, click on battery health and charging. You can see mine is already at 76%. According to Apple, anything below 80% needs to be changed. And if your maximum capacity is even way more lower, there is no amount of settings that can actually save the life of your battery. If you feel your maximum capacity is not so low, trust me, most of these fixes we discuss in this video are going to help you in a big way.